Alright, good morning. It's day 3 in Budapest. I've got loads of sleep. It's about 5 in the morning and I am on my way to the Fisherman's Bastion because I'm told the sunrise there is really something to see. Today is going to be pretty hectic. I'm going to try to do a lot of sightseeing this morning. Then I'm going to pick up my board. Then we're going to go skate. There's going to be a lot happening today. That is the hugest escalator that I've ever walked up. Bloody hell. Wow. This is so beautiful. I must have seen like about 7 or 8 couples this morning taking like really cute photos together and doing like little photo shoots and things. I'm like, I'm not gonna lie, when's it gonna be my turn? Patience, Basil, patience, my time will come. Righto, so we finished up in Fisherman's Bastion. Very beautiful sight, especially at 5 in the morning, so strongly recommend it. Yeah, now I'm walking down to Parliament building because it's nearby, right? You know, if you see the street that I'm looking at right now, it's like a fantasy, honestly. Really gotta give it to Budapest. This is a flat ground skater's dream. There is so much open space here. It's freaking sick. Statues, horses. Okay, so now I've just got my board, I've just had some more breakfast because I am starving this morning. And I'm on my way to Medium Skate Shop.
A következő megálló Veselényi utca, Erzsébet körút.
And here we are. Oh gosh, hello. Alright, we made it. Medium Skate Shop. Let's check this baby out. No pressure. How long has Medium Skate Shop been around in Budapest?
I think 6 years, but
So would you say that skateboarding is fairly big in Budapest?
it's been growing in the past 2 or 3 years. Or I mean, since the pandemic, a lot of people started. I guess they were bored at the moment.
Yeah.
But we didn't have a huge scene in the past. I mean, around the 2000s and before 2010, there were a lot of skaters, but a lot of people started to quit afterwards, and now it's growing again.
I think that's probably due to the Olympics and stuff as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it became more trendy, I guess, and yeah, like I said, people had more time, and I don't know, we started to have some really good skate parks finally. So because of the Olympics, the government recognized skateboarding more, so they're building concrete skate parks finally, and they're asking like the Skateboard Federation to manage it.
And I'm guessing obviously you work in a Medium Skate Shop. Do you ride for the team as well, or?
Yeah, actually, fun thing, I just started last week.
No time like the present, right?
Yeah, I was actually managing the other skate shop, Criminal, for almost 6 years.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was riding for them, and now I transferred here instead.
Tell us more about Medium, the skate shop and the skate team.
Medium is the small and core skater-operated shop that started just a few years ago, like I said. And yeah, it's been growing, and they make, or now I can say we make, a lot of videos. Like one of the owners even takes photos, and he makes little like designs and all that. So this is what grows the scene, in my opinion, that you see stuff happening actually. And they sponsor a lot of people, they make a lot of contests, but not like these serious contests, more like the friendly ones.
Yeah.
I love those a lot more also. So that grows the community and makes a lot of people come out there and skate with us. So the boards are made in Europe, actually, in the HLC factory. Like in Europe, that's a really big thing. Like a lot of big brands make their manufacturing there, even the American ones. They don't ship their boards from Mexico or from the States. Instead, they make it in Spain, in the HLC factory. So it's the same quality as all the other ones, just with our own graphics, I could say. We have 2 different shapes at the moment, a lot of sizes. But also we carry a lot of American brands, so you can find boards in every price range, and yeah.
Alright, so today I'm going to be skating with my boy Máté.
Hey.
And he's going to show me around some of the cool popular skate spots in Budapest, and we're going to do some skating as well, which should be good. So you've been skating for like 3 years?
Yeah, about that. I started skating in COVID because I was lonely.
I think we were all lonely during
Yeah,
COVID.
yeah.
Right.
It was an interesting time, so
And would you say that skateboarding helped you?
yeah, it helped a lot. If I have any problems, I go skating. So
What would you say has changed for you since you started skateboarding?
I got a lot taller and healthier, so that's good.
And you got like some tricks down since you started, didn't you?
You know what? I board slid my first rail after half a year.
Jeez!
Yeah, it was like a big deal for me because I was trying that
Yeah.
trick for, I don't know, like 2 hours.
You know what?
It was a battle.
You know, I'll tell you something funny, right? Hold on, let me just brighten this up in here. I've been trying to learn to board slide ever since I started skateboarding, right? Now, I've been skateboarding for 16 years, and I still can't board slide.
Oh,
So, trust me when I say you're doing far better than what you think you could be doing. Like, yeah, don't be like me.
okay. I learned frontside board slides. I can tray flip.
Tray flips are cool.
Yeah, I love them. Kick flips are a bit harder for me because I didn't learn them properly. So pop shoves, ollies, backside 180s, frontside 180s.
Sounds like you got your basics down, really.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like enough tricks for you to know like how to just have fun with skateboarding, I guess.
Yeah. I'm trying to learn backtails.
Ooh.
Backside tail slides.
Yeah, I can't help you with that.
They are beautiful. I love them. This is one of the most popular skate spots in Budapest. In the past, a lot of skaters skated this. Once Jason Park was here and skated this set, so that was pretty awesome.
Jason Park was here?
Yeah.
That's nuts.
Yeah, the guy we just met in the shop actually met him and skated with him.
Where are we going?
We are going to the Ádám Tér to warm up.
Fantastic. You guys have very long escalators.
Yeah. Scary.
You know, I actually tried to walk up it thinking like, oh yeah, it'll be just like the escalators in London. I was so wrong. I had to take a break in the middle of the escalator. Yes, I just made it. Tuesday, 11 in the morning, and we're back at the skate park. Met some of the locals, they're really friendly. Don't know if you just saw that. What's good, man? How you doing?
What's up, man? Hi.
Hey.
What's up?
What's your name?
My name is Erik.
Erik.
I'm from Germany, and I'm visiting my girlfriend here. And that's why I'm here. And yeah.
All right, Erik, game skate. I go fast. Simps. Nollie shove it. Nice. Yeah! Yes!
Also my no flip.
Yeah! Front woody! So I'll give you that. I'll give you that, yep. Ah. That's it. Woo.
Trick.
You don't want to redo it?
If it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is. That was like a commitment. Ooh. Ooh!
Not that.
Ooh! That was close!
Switch 180.
Alright. So.
Ready?
How's that? Ah, dude. Good game.
Nice game, bro.
It's been so hot today. Like, it's been pretty difficult to skate in this heat. And so we're just getting some lunch right now just so that we could just keep up with the energy. And oh my God, it's just so nice to just be in the shade, isn't it?
Yeah.
This man is honestly the most prepared man in all of Hungary. I'm in disbelief. Like, I was about to ask someone if they have like a plug socket where I can charge my phone. He doesn't have one, but 3 power banks.
Yeah.
Like a pain relief gel.
Yeah.
I can't believe you have a pain relief gel. We just spent like about an hour, if not
Maybe,
2 hours,
Yeah. Maybe, yeah.
trying to get the clip for the film. And we were so close to getting it just perfect. But then we just got kicked out. So we're gonna leave. We're gonna go to a different spot. We just met up with this guy, Beni.
Yo, what's up? I'm Beni.
This is Beni. So we're gonna go to a different spot. We're gonna film this trick. We're gonna see some sights as well, and then we're gonna come back and hopefully, we'll get the clip exactly how we need it. Come on, we need to hurry up.
Yeah, that's what I was. looking like if the day couldn't get any better. We're just missing the tram.
This is insane. Oh shit, no, I feel the drops. Alright.
Oh, hey man!
Hey! How's it going?
Good.
What a perfectly authentic interaction!
Yeah. We're here on top of a big tunnel with like 10 skaters around here. It's a great spot to come here after school because it's close to school. It's a nice closed spot. It feels like you're at home or in your garden. And it's a great place to skate, really.
Yeah, I mean, like, so you sound like you're originally from the UK, but then you moved to Budapest, didn't you?
Yeah. That's the case. We lived there for like 9 years. I was born there, and we moved here in 2017. And yeah, I've lived here ever since. It's a great city. I really like it. I love the skate scene as well. I love everything about it. It's just a great place to live.
What do you hate about it?
Oh man, the government. There
Yeah.
are some really mean people. There are some like really rude people.
Fair enough. I think we did, Máté, we did encounter a pretty mean trash guy, didn't we? Yeah.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. There are some rude people who do not appreciate the place they live.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Well, that's why kindness always wins, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Exactly.
It is.
Oh, I did not know that was broken.
Yeah, it's in bad condition.
Game of skate.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
Hardest trick in the world. You ready?
What? I thought you would have got it! This is honestly one of my favourite spots in the world. After Parallel in Barcelona, here is amazing. Nice! Máté, Beni, thank you so much for helping me out today. It's been an absolute pleasure. I mean, we're not going anywhere, we're still going to do some stuff, but I mean, I just wanted to just say thank you, like, personally. I think before I go, I just want to get one tray flip in super slow motion here. I just have to do it. This day was honestly such a phenomenal day. And I think this was the day where I really started to fall in love with this project. And I'm so excited to see where this goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you all in the next one.